morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are quite well. Okay. So last class was on what was this chapter? That was understanding quadrilateral. Okay, I have finished different type of questions. I have uploaded PDF file also, but some of the students are asking me some other part also there. Yes, it is there. I have made one PDF file. So better is that whatever the questions related to this quadrilateral you will solve, rest you will not solve. Okay, and especially whatever the types of questions I am revising in the class, so that you will follow. Okay, now one advice to you: I can track everybody's presence in my class. You are giving attendance to your class teacher, but when I am uploading, you people are not all you are watching my video. So track report is saying only 50% students are watching my video, 50% are left. Essay I will see it in the evening, I will see it tomorrow, this way. You see, your examination is ahead. If you are not serious at all, so I cannot help you out. After exam you cannot stay, because who are watching, who are not using, already it is recorded in my system. Okay? After that you cannot, your parents cannot blame to me कि my child is performance why so bad. If you people are not going through my video properly, how can you expect the good result? Okay? You have some time, please, you all watch my video and clear your doubt before exam. Clear? Now, today I am going to start algebraic expression. Okay, so all questions I will not, I am telling you, I will not solve thoroughly as per your textbook. You will practice at home. Concept I am clearing. Or algebraic expression. What is the meaning? First, meaning. Meaning of algebraic expression. When a statement is expressed with the help of literal factors, numerical factors, and arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, division, multiplication sign will be there, then it is called algebraic expression. Say, if I give you an example, Rahim is 3 more than twice years older than his brother Rafiq. Rahim 3 more than twice years more than his brother Rafiq. So here I have not given directly what's the Rahim says, what is the Rafiq says. Understood? So we have to express the statement with the help of literal factor, plus sign also there. More means plus, less means minus. So let Rafiq be x. Okay? Let the Rafiq's age be x. So what will be the Rahim? 2 times and 3 more. 3 more than 2 times Rafiq. This one. So if Rahim is x, Rafiq is x, the Rahim will be 2 times and 3 more. So this is Rahim. So whatever the statement I have said, I have expressed it with the help of literal factor x, numerical factor 2, 3, and the arithmetic operator plus sign. So with the help of this statement I am expressing it for you. So this is algebraic expression. Okay. Now algebraic expressions, each part, this part are called terms. How can we count the number of terms? If the terms are separated by plus minus sign. If the terms are separated by plus minus, each part I will consider as a one term. Say this one is what? X plus 3y minus 2. So how many parts are there? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, because plus minus sign is there. Okay. So when it is 3 part, special name will be there, I am giving you. Now consider this one, 4 by 3 x cube y square z. How many terms are there? You cannot consider this, you cannot segregate this one. Okay? Because in between the two literal factor and numerical factor, multiplication sign is there. So we cannot consider the terms when they are in a multiplication form. Even if it is there, 3x square into 2y square, how many terms are there? You cannot consider these two are separate terms. You have to multiply 2 to the 6, x square, y square. Understood? Now you consider how many terms are there? One term. Understood? So that what does it mean actually? Terms are when separated by plus minus sign, then only you will count it. Otherwise you will not count. You count it as one. So these are the one term, this is one term. Okay? This is the concept. Don't forget this. Now on the basis of the number of terms, so quadratic algebraic expression is having what? Each part that is polynomial. So when one part is there, polynomial. Polynomial means what? Poly means many, nomial. When any algebraic expression in the form of ax raised to n, a greater than equal to 1 but less than equal to, greater than equal to 1. Okay, greater than equal to 1 and n will be what? Integer. N will be integers. Negative, positive, 0. When negative is there, then what type of term will be there? That will come later on. Okay. So an expression may consist one term. So polynomial may consist one term or many terms. Okay. Depending on the number of terms, the polynomial has been classified into polynomial types. Okay. Polynomial types, monomial means one term is there. So if I give you this way, then 3x square, then comma 4y square into 6y cube. How many terms are there? One term. I told you, when the terms are separated by plus minus, then only you will count. Or when they are multiply form, whole together will be one term. Division or multiplication. Monomial. When consists of one term. Binomial. Very interesting part I am covering, because this type of question definitely will come in MCQ. I will test your knowledge, whether the concept is clear to you or not. Okay? So those who are attending my class, then only you can understand. If you are not attending, you are not following my video, then how will you come to know? Textbook, everything is not given. Understood? Now, so y plus 3x, how many terms are there? 2 terms. How many terms are there? 3x square minus x square plus 7. How many terms are there? How many? I will come that part also. You see, this is 3x square, it is also x square. This is the like. So like term you will count 1. So this together will be 1, and this constant term already 1 term. So actually if we simplify, it will be 2x square plus 7. So binomial. So sometimes I definitely will give you this type of question in your exam. Okay. So it apparently looking 3 terms. No. So if there is a like terms, you count 1. So whatever the like terms are there, all together will be 1 term. And then unlike term will be next term. 2, 3, 4, 5 this way. So that means मेरा कहने का मतलब यही है, when there is like term, you count it nicely. Don't write down monomial, binomial, trinomial directly. Is there any like term or not? If there is no like term, then you count 1, 2, 3. But these two are like. I cannot count this as 2. It will be 1. And then constant term also 1 term. Okay. One constant term can also 1 term. So this is 2 term. This is binomial. Similarly, trinomial. Trinomial x minus y plus z. 1, 2, 3. X, y, z. All are unlike factor. All are unlike. Okay, that's why we count trinomial. But if I say 2x plus 3y minus x plus 7y, okay, then minus 10. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentanomial. This way? No. So 2x and this x count to 1. 3y and 7y like count 2. So 1 term, 2 term, and this constant term 1. 10. It already 1 term. So how many terms are there? 3 terms. So apparently looking 5 terms. Okay? So be careful while attempting the answer. Are we clear? So this way, binomial, binomial, quadrinomial. Quadrinomial means 4 terms. Pentanomial 5 terms. This way, number of terms will increase, name will also be different. But all together, they are collectively called polynomial because they are in the expression of this. Okay. So now since I have told you how will count this one. So like terms and unlike terms we have to know properly. Okay. Like terms and unlike terms, if you know it, then only it will be easier for us for addition and subtraction. If unlike term is there, so no problem with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Clear? So like terms, terms are said to be like if they have the same literal factor and power. Same literal factors and powers are there, they will be like. What about the numerical factors? What about the arithmetic operator, that is sign, either it is a plus or minus, does not matter. Only you have to see numerical factor, literal factor and their power. Say, when literal factors and powers are same, then it is called like term. Okay, you see minus 4 by 7 x cube y square, comma, then y square x cube by 9, then 10 x cube y square, all are like. What sign is there, what numerical factor is there, does not matter. Whether x is before or y is before, does not matter. Okay, y square, x cube y square, y square x cube, meaning is same. I will not consider its denominator, I will not consider its sign. So these two are like. Even x cube y square, same sequence, power of the variable and power, same, they are like. Whatever the sign or numerical factor does not matter. Okay, so like term, be careful. Unlike terms, definitely it will cover in exam. Okay, unlike term, when literal factors and powers are not same. Are not same. Then it is called unlike terms. Example. You see, when this type of question is coming, then you remember last what I said in that class. Unlike term, when you are selecting, you have to see whether little factor and power in all terms same or not. If same, like terms. If not same, unlike term. I am showing unlike term example. Say 14x square z cube minus 3 by 5, okay, z square x cube minus 7x x square z. Like? Are they like? Not like. Why? I will not consider the number and sign. Okay? You see, first one is x square z cube, second one is z square x cube. Z square x cube and x square z cube, totally different. I cannot consider as like. Even x square is there, but no power, means 1 power of z. So, in all are unlike terms. They are unlike. Little factor is there, but power is not matching. So, if having x having 2 power, in all cases it should be 2. Okay? If z is coming 3 power, in all cases z should have 3 as a power. If it is not, then it will be unlike. Are you clear? So, unlike term, like term, I have categories, then different type of polynomials, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and while counting the terms, you have to see whether like terms are there. So that's why I discussed. Like terms are there or not. If in our expression like term was there, so like term ko march karo. 2, 3 like terms are there. How many terms? Say 3x cube square plus x square minus 7x square. What will be the result? What will you say about this? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial? What is this? So all are like. So it will be monomial. Understood? Don't forget to count. If like terms are not there, then it will be trinomial. Okay. All are having x square, x square, x square. You can combine together. You make it one. Then its names will be monomial. Okay? It is not trinomial. Be careful. You should not do this type of mistake. Okay? Since I have given in the form of revision, definitely it means something. Okay? You have to be ready this type of question. Now, next is degree of the polynomial. Write down coefficient. Coefficient of polynomial. This is not degree. Degree I am come later. Okay. Coefficient of polynomial. Coefficient. Okay. When you say what is the coefficient of the polynomial? 4. Coefficient of the polynomial is 4. And if I say what is the coefficient of y? The coefficient of polynomial y. So you have to leave one y from here. Answer will be 4x square y square. You have to reduce one y from that term and remaining all part will be the coefficient. Suppose in a bench, student bench, 5 students are sitting. Okay? So if I say what is the polynomial of particular one boy, leaving that boy, remaining all, 4 will be the coefficient of the y. Same way, when the coefficient of y I like to find out, then reduce one y, okay, and remaining all part will be the coefficient. But if I say what is the coefficient of y cube, then you totally detach this y from this. Delete the y cube from this, and remaining all will be remaining. This one will be the x 4x square. 4x square will be the degree of the polynomial. Okay? Understood this question? So degree of the polynomial will be the this particular y cube is leaving y cube, remaining all part. Coefficient of the polynomial, leaving this part and remaining all part will be the coefficient of the polynomial. Are you clear? So don't forget, when you say coefficient means we have to find out the numerical factor, and when the coefficient of particular little factor, we have to reduce that 1 or 2 or made as a whole. What is the coefficient of x square? So leaving x square, remaining 4y cube is the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is the 4y cube. And what is the coefficient of x? It will be 4x y cube. So only 1x. So leaving 1x from here, remaining all parts. So x square is there. I will reduce 1. Then another 1 is still there. So that's why it is 4x y cube. So be careful while answering the question. Now I am coming to degree of the polynomial. As I told you, degree of the polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial means what? Highest power of the variable particular term. Okay. Say degree of the polynomial, find out for x cube y square z 4 minus 3 by 5 x y z. Okay, this is 4, this is cube, this is 2. Consider this one is 5 minus 3xyj plus 10. I ask you, what is the degree of the polynomial this? So what will do? You have to add all the power of the variables. What is the power? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. What is the total power here? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. What is the degree of the polynomial here? 3. What is the highest power? 9. So degree of the polynomial in this expression is 9. Sometimes I have noticed children are saying it's 3, it is 2, it is 4. It is 4, it is 3, it is 5. That means degree of the polynomial is 5. No. You have to count all the power together. Particular term. It is a term, one term. It is one term. It is one term. It is one term. So you have to count separately all the powers of one term. Write down for remembering. No need to show this way. For your understanding, I am write down this. Total power of this term is what? 9. Total power is 12. Total power is 3. So degree of the polynomial or the expression, algebraic expression, this one is 9. Sorry, 12. Understand my point? So this is degree of the polynomial and coefficient, like term, unlike term. Very, very important for exam. So I can frame object type question, MCQ, all answer will be there. So no need to worry about it. Now I am coming to what? Addition. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then identities. So this is the part of revision today's class. Okay. So it may take little longer time. Don't worry. So I will try to solve it. Add. Okay. Addition. Add. Add 3x cube z plus zx cube minus 10 comma 4 zx cube minus 6 comma minus 6 x cube z plus 4 x square y square minus 7. So I told you addition subtraction can be done in two ways. One is the horizontal method and another is the column method. So whatever you like, easiest one, you will do it. So here one question I am solving in both the way. So whatever you like easier, you will follow in exam. So but my suggestion is horizontal one is the best one, because in higher class we have to follow horizontal only. Okay. So horizontal में क्या होगा? Wherever the comma sign is there, you have to replace the comma sign by writing plus sign. After that, you write down all the like terms serially, unlike terms at the back. Okay. So here I am doing in this way: 3x cube j plus zx cube minus 10 plus 4zx cube minus 6 plus, after that plus, comma, plus, then minus. I cannot write down. Two signs together I cannot write down. This sign must be kept in bracket. 6x cube j. Okay, only this part. Minus 4x square y square minus 7. Okay, who are like? This is like this, and this. All are like. So like should be written at the beginning serial. 3x cube j plus jx cube plus 4jx cube minus 6x cube j. Then this one is coming first literal factor, and at the end numerical factor, that is constant term should be at the end. Minus 4x square y square minus 10 minus 6 minus 7. Okay. So now what is the result together? Orally you add 3x q z and x q and s q z. These are like term. Which one is the front, which is in the back does not matter. You have to see whether the little factors are there in the term or not. कौन आगे है कौन पीछे है, it does not matter. So z cube 3, इसमें nothing is there, mean 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 minus 6, it is coming 2x cube j, and nothing is there here, so you have to write down 4x square y square. Now all are negative, so that means you have to plus, but sign will be minus. 16 plus 7, 23. So this is answer. So if I add, I will be getting this. Okay. Now same question I am doing in horizontal column method. Shall I write here? Okay, here I am writing 3x cube j plus z cube. So it will be treated as one only. Okay. So while writing only you have to think, because these two are same. You cannot consider that binomial. So 3 and this 4z cube. 4x cube z minus 10. Then 4x and 4z x cube minus 6. Then minus 6 x cube z minus while it is not matching, you have to create a new column, then minus 7. Okay, this instruction plus. So same orally you have to add 8 minus 6 2 positive 2 x cube z x cube z. You have to mind calculation with there. So all will be negative. So minus 23, and this one is the minus 4x square y square. Okay, same question in two method. Okay. Now this is related to addition. Now on subtraction I am doing. You have to remember when subtraction words is there, what to do and how to do it. Horizontal is the best way. Subtract subtract 7x cube y plus 3xy minus 10 from minus x cube y plus 16 xy plus 12. When in case of subtraction was there from bola, so that part, the total part, second expression will come first, then subtract minus first expression you have to keep in bracket. Okay, that means this way, minus x cube y plus 16xy plus 12 minus, we have to subtract this one from that, so this will come first. Subtract 6 from 10. How to write down? 10 minus 6. Okay, second one will come first, first one will come later. Okay, so this, and then in bracket you write down the entire term, 7x cube y plus 3xy minus 10. After that, what to do? Open the bracket, x cube y plus 16xy plus 12 minus 7x cube y, change, minus plus minus 3xy minus minus plus. This is most important part. Okay, when you remove the bracket, simply you remember whatever the sign present inside the bracket, their sign will be changed. This is the simple rule. Their sign will be changed. Now after that, you write down the like term, like you addition, whatever you follow, x cube y, this one, minus 7x cube y, then this one plus 16xy minus 3xy plus 12 plus 10. Very simple. Calculate this one, calculate this one, calculate this one. So it will be minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. What is there? Nothing is there, mean 1 is there. 1 plus 7 minus 8x cube y plus minus, but sign will be plus because 16 is greater than 3. So after subtracting I am getting 3xy and plus 22. Answer. So this is normal way of subtraction. But when I change the instruction, that means some combination of instruction is there. Subtract the sum this from that. What to do? That means in one question we have to find out the sum also, follow the sum, and this result you subtract from the last expression. Okay, I am giving this type of example. Very important for exam also. Type of question I am revising. Don't think the sir has given this question. Okay, pattern you will get. Have you written this one? Okay. So question might be this, combined from plus minus in one question. Okay. What will you do? How will you solve it? Very simple if you follow my instruction. Okay. Question. Subtract the sum of 2x square minus 3y square plus 10, 8x square minus 6. Okay, from what? From 12x square minus y square minus 6. That means you have to find out the sum. The result will subtract from this. How to write? In one line also you can write down. You can do it in two steps also. So let the sum of this sum sum of 2x square minus 3y. You can write down in one line, no problem, those who are confident. This plus 8x square minus 6. Now solve it. 2x square plus 8x square minus 3y square minus 6 minus 10 minus 6. What is the result? This one will be the 10x square minus 3y square minus 16. So result of this part is 16. Now this result I have to subtract from there. So how? Therefore 12x square minus y square minus 6. Subtract. What will subtract? The sum. Sum you have to subtract. Keep it in bracket. 10x square minus 3y square. 10x square minus 3y square minus 16. Okay. Now remove the bracket. 2x square minus y square. Sorry. What is the result? This y square minus 6. Remove the bracket. Minus 10x square plus 3y square plus 16. Write down the like terms here. 12x square, and this is one is the 10x square. And this minus y square, and this one is the plus 3y square. And this is minus 6, and this is plus 16. Now, what is the result? What is the result? What is the result? You have to find out the three results in your mind calculation. So 12 minus 10 is 2x square. Minus plus is minus. 1y square subtract from the 3y square. It will be 2y square. When nothing is there means 1 is there. And plus minus minus. So 16 subtract from the 10. 16. So it will be plus 10. Answer. What will do in exam? On a paper, on a rough copy, you will solve it. You will get this result. Now you check. I will give you the result also. 4 options is there. So out of the 4 options, 1 option will be correct option. Okay. Even if you get nothing is there, what about your answer? It is not matching with anyone. So at least that time, none of this option will also be there. So you have to put tick mark on none of this. Okay. And if you are getting this answer is A, B, C, D, anywhere, so you just put tick mark on that one. But calculation you have to do outside, because none of the question will be from your book. It will be from my mind. Okay. Very simple type of question. So you should not forget it. Okay. So the way you have to ready for the exam, I am just explaining. You have to prepare yourself same way for exam. Okay. I want this time everybody is scoring 40 upon 40. Okay. Now addition, subtraction both are over. Multiplication. What to do? You have to remember first sign, numerical factors and literal numerical factors, and then literal factors. Literal factors. These are the three parts: sign, numerical factor, literal factor. Sign, numerical factor, literal factor. You have to remember for multiplication. Okay. Say minus 4x cube y square into 6x4y cube into what? 1 by 12 x cube y square. What to do? The technique is you have to write down all the numerical factors, coefficient, okay, in one. Okay, so in box this is minus 4, this is positive 6, and this is 1 by 12. Clear? Now x cube dot means multiplication, x4 dot then y cube dot x cube, x cube dot y square dot y cube dot y square. Okay, so this cut 2 cut minus 2. So what is the result of this numerical factors calculation? Minus 2. Now you have to add the power. In case of multiplication, you have to add the power of the little factorial. Okay, this x square, x. So it will be what? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, x raised to 10. Okay, y 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So y raised to 7. So in case of multiplication, first sign, second numerical factor, third little factor. Sign will multiply, minus minus plus, so plus sign hoga. I will give one more example also. Minus minus plus, then plus sign. Okay, plus plus plus, then plus sign. Plus minus minus, then minus sign. Okay, first sign. Then numerical factor, it may be whole number, it may be decimal number, it may be fractional number. Anyway, you have to multiply all the numerical factors and then little factor, add their power. X का power जितनी है, you have to add all x power in one. Okay, y, z, etc. Clear? One more example I am giving multiplication. Clear? So now you have to find out what to do. How to solve this one? Say minus 14 x cube y cube multiplied by 0.5 xy square multiplied by minus 25 minus 25 y square x square y cube. Okay, what to do? So in this bracket it is minus 14 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by minus, in bracket actually you cannot use two number in one place, two sign in one place, minus 25. Okay, then x cube dot x square, then dot y cube dot y square dot y cube. Okay, now how can I simplify this one? 14 5s are what? 14 5s are 70. That means minus 7. 71 decimal is there. You can convert into fraction also. That is up to you in what we will calculate. And then this one multiplied by minus 25. Now calculate this one. X3 4 6, x raised to 6, y 3 5, and then 8, y raised to 8, and finally what is this? Minus 5. 7 25s are how much? 100. 7 25s are 175. Minus minus plus, x cube, x raised to 6, y raised to 8. This. So it may be decimal, it may be fractional, it may be whole number. You have to multiply properly and add the power of the little factor. That is multiplication. Okay, so you should not do any mistake. You will follow textbook question for your more calculation. So since I have to cover now binomial product and monomial product, find the value. So all will be the same pattern. Okay, say one question I am solving. After that, you will practice from home. What type of question may come in the exam. Okay. If x equals to minus 2, y equals to 1, okay, then find what? 2x minus 3y into 4x minus plus 2y. What to do? You will not put the value before. First you find out the product, binomial, monomial, trinomial, everything I covered in my first video, how to do. So all things cannot be covered. I am just showing you one. You will practice at home. Okay. Now binomial product, trinomial product, fix one and split one. Second part you keep it fixed and first one you split. So okay. So 2x multiplied by 4x minus 2y, clear? Minus 3y multiplied to 4x plus 2y. Be careful, minus. Okay, now multiply these two. All the terms you have to multiply by 2x. All the terms you have to multiply by minus 3y. When plus sign is there, no problem. But when minus sign is there, be careful. Okay? Because in algebra, sign is very important. So, 2 is 4 2 is 8 x square. X square. Multiply. Numerical factor multiply. Little factor power add. Nothing is there means 1 is there. And similarly, 2 2 is 4 and 4xy. Clear? Here, minus plus minus. So 3 4s are 12xy. Yx xy same way. Minus plus minus 3 2s are 6y square. So this is like you have to combine. Okay, you have to make it one. y8x square. If we subtract, which will be the greater one? Minus 8xy, then minus 6y square. Now you substitute the xy by writing their value. Okay, so that means 8 into minus 2 square minus 8 into what? Minus 2 and y is equal to 1 minus 6 into 1 whole square. After simplifying, you have to put their sign. Okay. Now, what is coming? So 8 into minus minus plus 2 times 2 you have to multiply. Not 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 times 2. So it will be 4. Then minus minus plus 2 4s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 16 1s are 16. Then here minus 6 1s are 6, 1 1s are 1, that is 6. So 32 plus 16 minus 6, that equals to 48 minus 6, that equals to 42 is the last answer. Are you clear? So when substitute the value, it means you have to multiply first following the binomials, trinomials rule, and at the end simplified part you substitute their value by this. This will be the answer. Clear? Now I am coming to identities. Last part is identities. Okay? Algebraic identities. What I said earlier, you have 4 standard identity. Okay, I have given more, that will be for class 9, but 4 standard identity you have to keep in your mind. Okay, what are the 4 identities are there? 4 standard identities. Number 1, a plus b whole square. A and b two rational number. If it is there, I can write down a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, why I am showing it? I am telling you a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. CAB. C a square minus b square form is there, then I can write on a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now D, x plus a into x plus b. Actually it is a middle term form, so when factorization will come, this will help you a lot. If the two terms are there, you can write down x square plus a plus b into x plus b, ab. Now, why I am showing it, in exam, one identity will be given and expansion. This is the expansion. This is called the expansion of this identity. So, I will give you a minus b whole square can be written this. So, actually it is minus, I will show you plus. Is it correct or not? True and false question is there. So a plus b whole square means what? This. So instead of this, I will change the sign. One sign or two sign. After that we will say, is it true? If it is true, then we will say yes true. If it is false, then we will say false. So identities, 4 standard identities you have to read very carefully. Okay. That can be used true false type of question. Okay. So now I am expansion. While expanding the identities, I am giving you one question you have to solve, because in exam no need to write or type. Okay, so but calculation is required. That will be done in your outside road book and get the answer and then you match it. Okay, so say this type of question, if it is coming. Expand. What is it? Expand. Number 1. 3 by 2. 3m by 2m by 3 plus 2m by 3 plus 3n by 2. 3n by 2 whole square. What will be the result? I will give you the result for result. Okay. So until unless you solve outside, you cannot give a tick mark. Okay. So first of all, you have to solve out. So using what identities? Using a plus b whole square equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So you have to treat this one as a and this one as b. The a plus b whole square. So therefore it will be a square means 2m by 3 whole square plus twice ab. 2 dot a means 2m by 3 dot b means 3n by 2 plus b square means 3n by 2 whole square. Now here these 2, these 3 cut, multiplication form, this 2, this 3 cut. What is left out? Only 2 numerical factor left out and mn. So when you find out the square of this, it will be 4m square by 12 plus it will be 2mn plus it will be 9n square by 4. 9n square by 4. Clear? So all are having the same part. Clear? After that you check answer. Where it is? A, B, C means kahan par hai? If it is B, then put with tick mark. If it is not there, then at least one option, none of this is there. You have to put tick mark on none of this. Are you clear? So one more question I am solving. You have to ready for that type of question also. Okay? So let's see which one I can give you for you. Okay. Question number 2. A square minus b square whole square. Forget about the square inside the bracket. Or if you follow the square minus b square, then another whole square is there. So what I will do? You follow using a minus b whole square. Using a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Don't consider a square minus b square. So this total will be treated as a and this total you have to treat as b. So therefore it will be a square. A already square, then outside whole square. Minus twice a means a square, b means b square. Plus b square means b whole square. So what will be the answer? A raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. This is the expansion. Expansion of this. Are you clear? Now another expand this one. So numerical part of whatever it is given, so it is not possible to set question. You will multiply and give the answer. Until unless question number 6, 7, 8, I cannot set this question in exam because you will multiply outside and get the result. I am not able to see your work. That's why when pen paper test will be there, definitely 6, 7, 8 will be coming. Okay? So no more today. Time already is gone. I think 42 minutes already over. I'm taking your class. The next day I will be here with your new chapter, that is cubes and cube root. Okay? Until then, bye bye students.